Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you what I received in my ThredUP 15-pound scrap fabric rescue box. This is my second time ordering this box, and spoiler alert, it's not going to be the last time. I got a BOLO brand in this box I've been looking for 2+ years at the thrift stores to resell. Super excited to show you what they sent me. This is a collab with my girl Clarissa over at Thriving Thrifters. You guys probably know Clarissa if you love ThredUP rescue box unboxings. I want to say that girl, Clarissa, she probably does at least 3 ThredUP videos a week. If you like ThredUP rescue box unboxings, you are going to love Clarissa. She's hilarious. She always goes on with her director, John, her husband. So she's really fun to watch. We decided to both order the scrap fabric box. Super excited to see what Clarissa got in her box. I'm gonna leave her video linked down below. So when you're done seeing what ThredUP put in my rescue box, make sure to click on that link in the description to see what Clarissa got as well. My box did come from Pennsylvania. I don't know if that matters, but let me show you what they sent me. So you guys know how my videos work. I usually unbox stuff first, and then I show you the best stuff first, and then I show you the not so exciting stuff quickly at the end. So I will tell you, more than half of this box are things I'm excited to list. There are a lot of like handmade items in this box, or homemade items, however you want to say it. They are really cute though. There are things I think I can use really descriptive words in my titles and descriptions, and I think they'll still sell. Okay, Jam's World. Size large. I have been wanting to find a Jam's World piece for quite some time. I feel like their dresses and other pieces would probably do better than this piece. This is just a really pretty little tank top, sleeveless blouse. Love the flowers. I'll try to pop up on the screen some comps, that way you can kind of get an idea of where I may price something at. This is really cute. I have not looked any of this stuff up yet, but I can just tell that, you know, I'm not gonna have trouble moving it. I've never heard of this brand, Mangoes and Salsa, but it's a dress, and it's giving me all the vacation vibes. It has pockets. This is really cute. I'm not sure what size it is. It looks maybe like it's like a large. I think it's adorable. I would wear that. I was super excited about that one. This one does not have a tag, but it's so pretty. Look at the sleeves. There's gold and blue floral. It's an open front, and it has this gold trim going all the way down. It's like a duster size. And it does split on the side, so it opens on the side. Anyway, I didn't see any holes on this. I'm going to have to probably put it on the mannequin to make sure I don't see any flaws. I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. Let me know if you have any maybe good keywords that I could put in the title, because I don't have a size tag, I don't have a material tag. I'm just going off of descriptive words. But like I said, I don't think I'm gonna have a hard time selling it. This box gave me all like the Johnny Was vibes. There's a ton of embroidery in here. So this is a dress, and it just kind of has like a bat wing sleeve kind of detail. This would be good to wear to the beach. Really pretty. It's all embroidered. Again, there's no material tag. There's nothing on here. But it's a really cute little dress. I think it's really fun. I really like the colors in it. So I think I can make that work. I saw my friend Kelly Schaffner receive this brand in her, I think it was like her 200-pound box maybe, JJ's house. And I think this is just a website, if I remember correctly from what Kelly said, maybe just a website where you can get affordable, like, formal dresses. Yeah, it's new with tags. It doesn't have a size tag on it, but I do think it's a gorgeous dress. I think it would be perfect. It's maxi length, perfect for a spring or summer wedding. So I've had pretty good luck selling formal dresses. So I don't see, you know, myself having a problem selling that one. Okay, I'm gonna try to pull out my favorite piece, or I don't know if this is my favorite. It's one of my favorite pieces, just because I've sold this brand before, and I also think this is a really unique dress. I've never seen a dress like it. I haven't looked up comps, so I don't know if there's like a billion online or not, but I have sold this before. It's Corey Lynn Coulter. If I remember right, this is an Anthropology brand, size 10. I want to say I sold a skirt maybe in the 40s or 50s, and it went fairly quickly, but look at how unique this dress is. So it has the little straps, but the print is numbers. I just think that is so different. The only flaw I saw was back here. It's missing a button right there. So I probably do need to get a button, to be honest, to make this, you know, more sellable, because I'm definitely gonna have to discount it if I don't have the button. Here's how the bottom looks. It has these little bands of stripes. Anyway, I really do need to fix the button, but then I think once that's fixed, I think I'll be able to get a good amount from it. My husband, he watched me open this box, and he really liked this. I think this is just like a one-size-fits-all. It's called Mama and Papa, 100% cotton. And it's just a dress, and it has the cinched in waist. It's pretty short, but again, I think that would be great for a vacation. Whenever I think something can be worn on vacation, I will add that to my title. Or like if I think someone could wear it for a cruise, I'll put that in my title as well. Okay, this one had a tag, but it's ripped off. But again, it's really pretty. Really pretty dress. So I want to say this box was $35, something like that. And just for example, if I could get like 15 out of this one and maybe like 15 out of this one, that pays for everything. And then I have a lot of stuff. I mean, there's a lot of stuff left. I'm going to have to kind of go through this pretty quick. But I think there's just a lot of sellable items. So even if I have to move them kind of cheap, I do think I can move them. I need to look this one up. This is a 100% silk dress. I don't know anything about this. I'm just going to pop it up on the screen, what it says on eBay, if this is like worth anything. Size 10, 100% silk dress. It's a strapless blue. It has the pink band. Knee-length dress, so didn't see any flaws on it, so if it's worth something, that'll be good. All right, here's a really gorgeous piece. Again, there's no tag or anything, but when I said Johnny Was vibes, I mean, I was really getting the Johnny Was vibes. This is just a poncho shirt. Yeah, it's just a poncho. Really cute. I didn't see any flaws on it. Probably just a one-size-fits-all. Okay, this I thought was a wedding dress, but it's not. It's actually a veil. Now, I have absolutely no idea how much I would even start pricing this at, if I'm being honest with you. So, it's definitely a train. Like, this thing is definitely long. Here's where you stick it in the hair. And I'm just going to show you in length. I'm just going to start pulling it so you can understand how long this thing is. And then at the bottom, it has a ton of lace. Yeah, this is a lot of fabric, y'all. This is a ton of fabric. Never sold a veil before, didn't even wear a veil for my wedding. That was a request from my husband. So yeah, I have no idea. I've never even like shopped for veils. So I'm going in that blind. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, have you ever sold a veil before? Okay, so everything else in this box is, Clarissa, are you upset that I ripped my tissue paper? Okay. Everything down there is stuff I'm not excited about, and I'm probably just going to donate. This right here, this is is it a cardigan? Yeah, maybe just like an open front cardigan. It's sheer black, has some bling here, long sleeves, but I don't know. Let me know if you guys would list any of the stuff I'm about to show you. I need to actually look this up. This looks like something that would be at this looks like a world market brand to me. It's called Earthbound. You know what? Maybe I will look this up. I'm going to add this to my sell pile. I think I can actually sell that. This right here, I'm not interested. You know what? I may send this to Plato's. It's just a yellow dress, unbranded. I don't think it has a size tag, so we'll see. We'll see if Plato's wants it. This piece here, this was a dress, and it's super sheer. This is probably more like a cover-up, to be honest with you. I mean, you can see right through it. You'd have to wear a slip underneath it. Anyway, just a floral dress, no size tag, no brand. I mean, I probably could sell that like $9.99, just as like a bathing suit cover. Oh yeah, this is another one, just another bathing suit cover. Really sheer, it's off the shoulder. No size tag, nothing. And then this one's giving me belly dance vibes. You know, maybe I could sell this. It's just love culture. Did you guys see my Plato's video I posted a couple days ago? I sold a love culture top. So I know Plato's takes this brand. But anyway, I think if I put this online, if I use the word belly dancer, maybe that would help this sell, because I'm definitely getting belly dancer vibes. All right, y'all, that was my DIY scrap fabric box from ThredUP. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments below. I know in my last video, a lot of you guys were shocked that there were actually like brand names in here and it wasn't just actual fabric. And yeah, I've had a really good experience selling the stuff out of my first box, and I don't think I'm gonna have an issue selling anything in this box as well. Make sure you guys click on the video down below to go see what Clarissa got. Thank you guys so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I will see you tomorrow for another ThredUP unboxing. Bye, y'all.